Good afternoon, friends. In the last video, we have seen how to create pie chart and donut chart. So here again, we are going to do revision for the same. So basically, pie chart show values as a slice of a whole circle. Numerical values are translated into the percentage of 360 degrees, represented by the arc length, and each slice is color coded accordingly. Pie charts show what percentage of the whole is made up of each category. That means they deal with the total numbers and trends in overall responses rather than changes over time. That means it's a good idea to use a pie chart when displaying proportional data or percentages. Remember that the point is to represent the size relationship between the parts and the entire entity. So these parts we need to add up to a meaningful whole. It makes sense to use a pie chart when you want to get a rapid overall idea of the spread of the data. For example, market share or responses to a survey, rather than when you are concerned about the precise figures they represent. So, survey and questionnaires responses, data from social media sources or Google Analytics, total sales figures, and so on will work for the pie chart and donut chart. Keep it fairly simple. So, if you have more than six categories, your pie chart won't give you much information at a glance, especially if there is no clear winning answer. So, this is all about the pie chart and donut chart. So, next we now move towards next chart in our visuals, that is line and area chart. So total six charts in line and area segment. We will see one by one. Start with the basic line chart. For that, first we upload the data into the Power BI desktop. Select the sheet first, and data is clean, so you can directly click on load button. Here on right hand side in data section, you can find all the columns in our data set. And if you want to view data in detail, you can go to table view. Here you find all the data set. Now we are going to move toward report view. So here, go to new visual in home tab and select first line chart. So basically line chart shows us trend as per the duration. So here for x-axis we are going to select date data type. So we have order date, that is date data type in our data set. So I'm going to select order date first for x-axis, and here on the other side for y-axis I'm going to select sales. So this is the trend. You can see overall sales as per the data as per the year. So you can see for 2016 and 17 sales decreased, and after 2017 it increases. So we get higher sales in 2020. So this is the overall analysis you can do with the help of line chart. For line chart, you have to need compulsory data type to judge the trend in the market. So here you can find secondary y-axis option. Here you can also check the trend for profit. So it shows profit versus sales versus profit trend, or you can analyze the your efforts in your business using this secondary y-axis. Also, legend, small multiples, and two tips. These three options are available for line chart. So here small multiple is a new option. Here I'm going to select region section. So you can find this. Here you can analyze data as per the region. You can easily find which region is better as compared to all the regions. We have total 4 regions here. So this is all about the line chart. Same format option is also available here. You can change size and style using the option available here. All editing options are same as per the previous charts, such as bar chart, column chart, and pie and donut chart. Data labels will help you to analyze data in short time. So these are the options. You can check all the option one by one. Let's move toward next graph or next chart. For that, I'm going to add one more page, and here first we check with the line and stack column chart. X-axis, you can select order date, and for y-axis you have to select sales, total sales. So here is the details for our database. Edit the name, you can off grid lines, you can on the data levels to analyze the data clearly. And then we have another option here, line y-axis. Here you have to add profit, so it will show the profit margin as per the data. Also, if you use small multiples, you can add a region in small multiple, so it shows region wise sales for this particular chart. Also, you can add region in the column legend. So here, as per the data, you get maximum sales in year 2020 from each region. Similarly, you can analyze for the remaining years which region is best for which year. So this is all about the line and stack column chart. Next one is a line and clustered column chart. For that, I have added one more page here. Select the new visual, line and clustered column chart. Both charts are same. There are few differences between both the charts. Now we'll see one by one. For x-axis, you have to by default select order date, and you have to clean data before upload into the Power BI desktop, because order date or date should be date data type, and it was clear while doing Power Query. So it is very important to clean the data first and then upload into the Power BI desktop. So here I have selected for the x-axis. Now go for y-axis, sales, and for checking the trend, I have selected profit. So here you can analyze profit slightly increases if we in 2020 if we compare with the 2019, but the one drawback is sales increases rapidly, but if you compare profit with the sales, it not increases as we expect. So more efforts is required for the company to increase the profit with sales. So this is the analysis you can do using the Power BI application and Power BI charts. This is the main use of Power BI charts. Also, column legend and small multiples options are available here. Here we got the region wise sales and profit, and for the legend, if we select the region, so here we clearly analyze the data. First, I'm going to on data labels. So here you can easily understand which region have maximum sales, which region is minimum sales, and what is the exact profit per year per region. Same formatting options are available for this chart also. So you can check one by one all the options. So it will help you to analyze data more clearly. So next we have covered line chart, line and stack column chart, line and cluster column chart. So next three charts are remaining: area chart, stack area chart, and ribbon chart. So first we see area chart. Select the visual area chart. For x-axis, I have selected order date. Y-axis, sales. Here you can easily find trend in sales for this particular company, or from year 2015 to 2020. We have secondary y-axis. Here you can select the profit. So this is the way we can use line chart to analyze the trend in the market. For small multiples, I am going to select region. It will better to analyze the data region wise. Next visual is stack area chart. Here x-axis should be order date, y-axis should be sales, and in legend I'm going to add region. So here is the final chart as per our data set. So you can see I'm going to again edit the previous chart. That is the area chart. I'm going to cancel this region wise bifurcation of small multiples. So here you can find both these charts are similar, but the difference is, like, if you use stack area chart, it's not overlapping. It shows value one above the other. This is the benefit of the stack area chart. In the previous area chart, values should be overlap. It depends on the values such as sales and profit. If sales decreases, it will overlap. So this is the basic difference we can find in these both the charts. Same small multiple and legend option is also available here. So next chart is ribbon chart. It also shows trend for particular data. X-axis should be order date, y-axis should be sales, and we have to select region as a legend. So here click on data labels. So it will be easy to analyze the data properly. So you can see here for the first position we have find waste region. So in 2015 waste region has a maximum sales, but in 2018 we see waste region has second maximum sales. Again it top in 2019, and again it decreased to second position in 2020. So this is the way we can analyze the data. Here you can find central region on third position in 2015, last position on 2018, but slowly in 2019 and 2018 it increases its position by maximum sales. So this is the overall analysis of the data. So this graph is also very useful to analyze the trend in the company. So all these graphs or charts shows trend over time. So you can use the charts in your project or in your report as per the requirement from the stakeholder or client. So it's done for this chapter. This is line and area chart. Now we see the formatting option in detail for all the charts we have designed. You have to select a chart first. And here one important concept here in line chart. Here we have selected date on x-axis. So here first we see as data as per the year. We can check with the quarter, month and day wise. Day wise is not visible properly, but you can here you can change the label using this button. Here we can find the trend as per the quarter, and this is as per the month. To increase the label, you have this drill up button. Again it shows quarter wise, and now it shows original year wise trend in line chart. Similar editing you can do for the rest of the charts. So this is for line charts in Power BI. I have done for this video. So you can find data file in the description section. You can find the link there. You can download the data and use it to practice 10 to 15 times to properly understand the line charts. So this is done for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Talk at Punyanagari. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.